Allen County traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, taking off runway 19, Allen County. Alright. I'd like to say I see 19, but I don't see it.
I noticed that when we came in.
Yeah, the markings are pretty thin. Alright, wheels on the floor. Instrument screen. Airspeed is alive. And rotate. Positive brake, flaps up. Allen County traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, left crosswind to 19, Allen County. Allen County traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, left downwind 19, Allen County.
Oh, well, so what did you think of Iola, Kansas?
Well, it was a little more than I think we bargained for.
Yeah. And of course, we got there a little bit later in the day than we intended because we had to wait for weather to clear. But there was a lot in the little town.
Yeah, it really was. I was very pleasantly surprised of what it was, you know. So it was, especially the little museum with the Medal of Honor recipient, and
Princeton. I can't think of. But anyway, there was a lot to see, and we never ran out of time.
Well, and that's just it. You mentioned before the little late start we got because of the way the cloud. Well, it wasn't clouds; it was just fog and mist and haze, and consequently, it was just we just couldn't, get going soon enough, and so we just said, well, we'll just wait it out because we wanted to fly VFR over here anyway.
Yeah.
Fly low and kind of check out the scenery, and
we headed out. We headed out going over there. We thought we were going to eat barbecue.
Yeah.
And the postman in the town stopped and kind of said, "Hey, what are you taking pictures of?"
Yeah.
So we got to talking with him, and he said the Mexican place is good. And after that, somebody else told us the hamburger place was
good.
We ended up with a hamburger place, and
Well,
it really was good.
Yeah, it really was good. Just a little mom and pop place. Of course, if y'all followed us at all, that's kind of what we like more than anything.
It was next to the Dairy Queen that was closed for the season, which is interesting.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because I've never seen a Dairy Queen closed for the season before.
It was in the original, one of those old buildings.
Yeah. So yeah, so anyway, we thought we'd go to the Mexican. I really wasn't in the mood for Mexican, but that was the best place to eat.
Yeah.
We would go there. We actually, because we had originally planned on leaving at 10, and we were at the airport kind of waiting for the the falls because it's low IFR and mist and haze and half a mile visibility and all. We were just kind of waiting it out. We forgot we hadn't ate lunch either.
Yeah.
So I just wanted something a little more stick to the ribs. So a hamburger really kind of sounded good. It was good.
It was very good. And that building was really old. It used to be a drive-in.
Yeah. Well, there's our little line of clouds again.
No, it's in the same spot too, isn't it?
Yeah, it was just kind of odd how that just kind of hung over. But anytime somebody tells me somebody from a town's a Congressional Medal of Honor recipient, that kind of perks my interest, and I want to know more about this person.
We also found out that right there in town is a trailhead for one of the trails places.
Sure like this ADSB in and out.
Right, because you can get that on the iPad now.
Yeah, you can get the weather on the iPad, or you can get it on the G1000. It's just kind of nice if you got that set up for one thing. You don't have to switch back and forth on different screens here.
Right, and I can kind of do this more. So I'm more comfortable with the iPad doing it.
Yeah. I mean, you could theoretically do everything off of the FMS, but it's kind of nice to have a little something extra. But look at the sunset, isn't that pretty?
I know it. It is gorgeous.
Especially over the clouds like that, it just kind of makes it look like a foamy looking ocean.
It does.
You know, we've kind of talked about what do we do for 2020. I don't know, you know, and we've mentioned, you know, the bucket list of going to the Bahamas, and we probably talk about it too much, but unless you've done that, it's kind of, you know, it's just hard to imagine how much fun and enjoying that really was.
Oh yeah.
But I've even thought, I don't know if we'll do this next year or not, but I wouldn't mind doing a couple of weeks and doing a 48 lower state run and land at least at one airport in all 48 states, and hopefully we'll have a subscriber at least one in each state, and then that way we do a little meetup along the way as well.
Oh yeah.
That's something we're toying around with. So.
Well, plus we need some input, I think, probably on that, because we'll need to know places we need to land so we can get something to eat.
Well, of course.
There'll be breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then there'll be like, you know, a morning snack or afternoon dessert, you know, that kind of thing.
We need a bigger plane. What we need is someone to be in the back cooking us for preparing us meals along the way. So that's what I'm hearing you say.
Oh no, I'm talking about every place we stop, we've got to eat something.
My gosh, we won't be able to go anywhere. We'll be up for an hour or two, then turn and land. And
what's wrong with that?
I don't know. Well, I guess nothing. But I know we say this a lot. It's all about the food, and some of us tend to kind of. It's more about the food than.
Are you saying I'm the piglet?
I didn't say you were the piglet. I just say for one of us, it's more about the food than the other.
Okay.
These headsets make your head itch.
I'm just going to change the subject. Can you see the contrails all up there? They're really pretty too.
Oh, that was a great segue, baby. Oh, look at the contrails.
No, we're going to quit talking about the fact that I like to.
Kind of reminds you of sprinkles in ice cream.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Oh, a little dash here, a little dash there.
That's it.
We're about to get to the other side of this little cloud base that we had to fly over coming and going.
Yep.
It was, I don't know, it was about, 10 miles or so of it, 15 maybe.
Right.
That was just a distinct line.
No, and I will say it is thinner. I'm seeing through it in a lot of places.
Yeah,
Looking down, you don't really see it looking forward.
Yeah. Well, yeah, see, I mean, like right here to the south of us, it's MVFR there at Eureka. See?
Yeah.
But when we go another 10 miles, it looks like, see, out here, it's all VFR.
Yeah.
That's one feature on ForeFlight I really like, because it color codes where there's low IFR, MVFR, and then VFR.
Right.
And you can at a glance kind of tell where your cloud covers are at, or at least your low cloud covers, that it affects that.
Yeah.
And so that's pretty cool. Yeah, because see right here, that's MVFR in blue. And then where we departed from, you can see it's all green, so it's VFR. And then so that cloud cover is just right in this little area right here. coming and going. Then of course you get over here at Jabara, there's a lot of traffic over there today.
Yeah, there is.
It's all VFR over here. Well, I got my approach plate kind of blocking it out a little bit, but you can see the light green, some of the airports over there. But anyway, that's a neat feature in ForeFlight. To enable that, all you do is come over here under flight category, and it will color code that for you. See, here it goes away. But I always like having that in flight category because it sure makes at a glance seeing what you're going to be traveling through on your way to and from whatever your trips are.
It's just a very thin layer now.
Yeah, you can see the ground now. It's more haze than anything
Oh yeah,
else.
it's just haze.
Wichita, Colonel James Jabara Airport. Automated weather observation 2324 Zulu. Wind 180 at 05. Visibility 9er. Sky condition clear. Temperature 04 Celsius. Dew point 00 Celsius. Altimeter 3027. Remarks. Density altitude 100.
Oh, coming up on El Dorado Lake.
Yep. You're almost home.
Yeah. 1.4 miles. All right, 3 miles to Dyack. We're at 3,000 feet. And we are on the localizer. Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo is 8 to the north inbound for 18 full stop, Jabara. All right, 2 miles to Dyack, 10 degrees of flaps. Full rich, prop in. Here's our glide slope. Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo is 5 to the north, inbound on 18 straight in, full stop, Jabara. Front prop, fuel on both. 20 degrees of flaps. Localizer centered, looking good. And our glide slope's coming in. Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, 2.5 mile final, straight in, 18 full stop, Jabara. All right, 2 white, 2 red. We're on the glide slope. Short final, full flaps. Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, short final, 18 full stop, Jabara.
Minimums.
Jabara traffic, Skyline 80 Papa Echo, clear, runway 18, taxiing to the ramp, Jabara. Skyline lakeside taxi, strobes off. Clear left, clear right. That's a honking jet, isn't it?
I thought so too. It's like a commercial plane, doesn't it?
Almost. Is our wing looking good?
Oh yeah, looking good.